Hey guys, welcome back to the next episode of Autowerks Diaries. As you can see, I'm standing here in front of the stunning 991.2 Speedster. Today we're going to be installing JCR's titanium valved X-pipe exhaust onto the Speedster. We're going to let you hear the original exhaust before we install it. And of course, afterwards, stay tuned as we walk you through the install too. So guys, we have the Speedster now on the hoist, and I just wanted to walk you through the original exhaust. So as you can see here, pretty standard headers with the cats. Then it moves into the auto particle filter, and then from here on, it's a rear exhaust. So with the JCR exhaust, we're gonna delete these link pipes here, this side muffler, and then directly goes into the X-pipe, but we're still gonna retain the electronic exhaust valves. So you can still open and close the valves depending on the driving mode that you're in. Hey guys, so we just finished installing the JCR titanium valve X-pipe exhaust on the Speedster. Tips look great, really fills in the rear diffuser, how it should be. Let's check out the sound clip with this exhaust. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.